Yeah, though. Yeah. Alright, we're taping again.
Oh, we're taping? Okay.
Yeah.
I really hope y'all can't see us because we look like shit.
Yeah.
Especially me. Jessica's pretty, but I look like shit.
No, dude, I got my ear pierced, I have 14 holes now.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Yeah, she put,
I'm sorry, I love this song.
What song is it?
It's Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Oh yeah, this is, I'm so scared. Yeah, anyways, we're on the roof right now.
Yeah, it's pretty much one of the stupidest ideas me and Jessica have ever had.
Yeah. You know, because usually we lay in front of garages on this side of our house.
Yeah, and on cars and shit.
I don't think we've ever done that.
Oh,
yes, we have.
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, we have. Anyway, but never on top of the roof.
And swim in the pool when it's like 20 degrees.
Oh God, we were red.
Yeah, because remember we were headbanging afterwards, and I was like, dude, my hair looks fucking awesome. Whoops.
No, it's okay.
that censor again.
I know Dan Cook was doing that. I don't know. Anyway, I don't think you can see anything, but see, there's a house and then there's lights. See the star? You see the moon?
I know it can't see it.
Yeah, I know, me too.
I can't see it. See, I could be flipping you off right now and you wouldn't even know it. Me and Jessica could be having sex right now.
We could just make it out easy, sure.
No, how's it go? I love Dan Cook. Oh, Ashley and Jessica are best friends, so.
Yes.
All you other people suck. Not really.
Yes.
But
well,
we're better.
We're better than your mother.
Yeah.
Because we have dicks and you don't.
Because. And Jessica's face. No. No, Jessica rocks more than your face, so yeah.
Yeah, I rock your bedpost.
She rocks more than llamas, man.
Whoa.
Llamas.
Whoa.
That's
Llamas.
up there.
Yeah, it's up there. Well, bye.